Are we live? Oh, yes we are. Yes we are. What are we gonna play? Can anybody guess? I'm gonna play some Resident Evil 2. We're gonna do a run. I wanna see how many times I get damaged. How many times I get damaged before I finish the game. I wanna see. I'm very curious to see how many times I get damaged, because it's a test run for something. Some of you know already what's gonna happen. So yeah, I'm gonna put the controller down for a bit. I'm gonna check the quality of the stream and make myself a drink, and we'll get this show started. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. What is up, Mr. Luca Bayer and Stefan? Hey, welcome, buddy. Should I lower the volume of my TV? Hang on. Let's lower it a bit. Okay, let's go. Let's see how many times I can play this without getting hit. I am gonna get hit, of course, but I just want to see. Load game. I want to play the scenario A by Leon. Did you manage to play Pokemon Go again? Or did you just uninstall it and that's it? I looked up what you were saying about the malware. The thing is, there were some bad guys out there who put an APK of Pokemon Go and installed a bunch of malware. So it depends where you installed it from, buddy. Uninstalling it won't remove the malware anyway. So if you installed some malware on your phone, you're done. Leon B. Okay, I am going to play Leon A. Hold on. Hold on a sec. You're in France? Luke is watching me from France. Je parle français très bien, mon frère. Original game, normal mode. I want to count how many times. I'm still not able to play Pokemon Go. I seem to be the only person who can't play it in the world, I think. Potato servers. I'm gonna skip the cutscenes. I want to see how fast I can beat the game. You got 10 Pokemon at work. Did you catch a cat type from work? Because we get a lot of cats over there. Look, it's true nightfall! It's true nightfall. I can't sleep through. I can't sleep. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna play some Resident Evil. Hang on before I continue. Hold on. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Each time I get bit, I'm gonna count it. We need to see how many times I get bit before I finish the game. Because we're planning something. We're planning something through. Do you know what I'm planning? Does anybody know what I'm planning? Oopsie daisy. There we go. Time to take a sip.
Freeze!
There's a gym near work. How cool. How cool. I want to play it.
What are you doing?
I seem to be the only one who can't play it.
Hold
Dang
your
it.
fire! I'm a human!
Okay, so far so good. I didn't get damaged once.
Sorry about that. I thought you were one of them.
What's going on in this town?
Hold on.
It's not a no damage run through. Did I tell you what I plan on doing with
By
this
the
game?
time I noticed something
Did I tell you
wrong,
what I plan on doing with this
The
game?
city was infested with zombies.
I'm counting my damage. I'm counting my damage for a reason. What can you install Pokemon Go? Well, depends. If you have an Android, I'm sure you can look up the APK, but you need to be careful because some APKs right now are being modded with malware, so you need to be careful on that. If you're on iOS, it's not available on iOS. Hang on, maybe I should take these down. If you're on iOS, it's not available in Malta yet. But if you switch your App Store to an Australian one, you can download a legit copy. But I wasn't able to play it. I did that, and I'm not able to play it. Poor little Kenny. I am not gonna get damaged. Is the audio quality okay of the stream? Because I got a fan on my face right now. Do you keep hearing the like of the fan? I hope not. It's really warm this evening. Oh, gotta run. Gotta go fast. Da, 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 da. Ooh, gotta go fast. Did you guys see that? Huh? Do you see what you guess? What? Do you see what you get when you messed with the warrior? Huh? Ah, man. So far, so good. So far, so good. We can go for a walk at night. We should. We totally should. Well, we already do that. We did that. Me and Kevin used to do that way. Me and Kevin used to do that way before Pokemon Go came out. All right, just so we're clear. All right, this is tough. This is where I might get hit for the first time. Let's see. Okay, this is where I might get damaged. Buddy. Come on. No damage. Like a boss. Whew, no damage so far. Okay, here we go. Down here there should be Brad. Let's kill Brad just for fun. How many bullets he takes? Brad is strong because he died by Nemesis, so he's got like... Come on. He's gonna get up again, and I don't want to risk. Oh, his arm fell off. He wanted to give me a hand. Did you get it? Shall I pick up the key? Let's pick up the key. Why not? And let's change costume as well. So while we're here now, we should change the outfit. Why not? Pokemon Go. They go off with your battery life. You think so? You think it affects the battery life? I don't know. Well, I'm sure it does. Every app does. But... Hey Varo, what's up, man? Welcome to the stream. I am doing a Resident Evil run and I'm trying to get damaged the least as possible. Each time I get damaged, we're gonna mark it down. I wanna see how many times I get damaged. I'm working on something. That's a secret project. But first, you know how you need to calculate, you need to estimate stuff before I actually go for something. You know, if I'm gonna build a building, first I need to see how much it's gonna cost me and how much material is gonna cost me and all that blah blah blah. So yeah, this is something like that. I'm preparing for a stream In the R2 remake,
are
I
you?
hope they update Brad's
Oh,
missing face.
you must
to
be the
contact
new
Brad.
guy.
I'm sure they'll do.
Leon.
I'm sure that I think in Resident Evil 2 they're
Sorry,
gonna fill.
but
They have an opportunity
it
now
looks like
to fill in
the
all the
party
gaps, the
has been
missing
cancelled.
holes. You know,
What
because even
happened?
Wesker had a part
About
in
2
Resident Evil 2,
months
even though
ago,
we don't see him at all in this game.
there was
But
this
I'm sure
incident
even Claire, for
involving
instance, did you ever
zombies
guys check out the
mansion
remake that one
located
guy
in the
did?
outskirts
Rod
of the
Lima.
city.
He's on YouTube. Look him up. Rod
Chris
Lima. What Rod
and the other
Lima did
STARS members
is he
discovered
did
that
the whole remake of the game by himself from ground up. He rebuilt
was
it,
behind
the whole thing,
everything.
both scenarios. No, not both scenarios. All 4 scenarios.
They
He
risked
did the whole
their
thing.
lives to reveal the truth.
And what he
But
did is this:
no
when you get to
one
the Stars lab,
believed them.
Stars office upstairs.
long after that,
you know how there's all those
all
monitors and
this
stuff.
started to
And there's an
happen.
option, a button that says, "Would you like to play yesterday's footage?" You play yesterday's footage, and you see Jill running around the police
Don't
station, and
worry
Nemesis
about
chasing
me.
her. That was awesome. That's a
Just
little nice
rescue
Easter egg, you know.
survivors in the
Anyway, I'm
other rooms.
rambling.
Here, take this key.
You
card.
gotta go, Luke. Thank you
be
so
able
much
to
for
unlock the
hanging
doors in
out,
the hall
buddy.
with this.
Enjoy France.
Go.
Take care, buddy.
But
And just in case,
Just
just so
go.
you guys know, Luke was watching us from France
fine.
whilst on
coming back
holiday.
for
How
you.
cool is that?
Just hold on.
You're off as well, Stefan? Sure, no problem. Thank you so much for dropping by, buddy. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Hang on. Vlogging R2 sounds like a nice plan. Welcome, Jack. Thank you so much for stopping by. I am doing a damage count. I want to see how many times I get damaged. Let me see how many times I get damaged before I finish the whole game. And I think I'm gonna get my first damage here, I think, to be honest with you. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Yes, he really did went all out. He really did go all out. Alright, so, he went all out? He went all out, yeah. Not go all out. Go all out, went all out, I don't care. What am I saying? You go in there. What a great time we had through playing that awesome. Look, the liquor. Playing Outbreak. That was so much fun. That was so much fun, buddy. I enjoyed it. I can't wait to do it again. It was so much fun. The funniest part was when hang on, I need to find a way to do this without getting damage. If I do get damage, let's see. Ah! 1! No! 1. Dang it, that's 1. That's 1 for Buddy. Not 12, 1. Oh my goodness. Dang it! I got hit once. Alright, that's okay. We're measuring stuff. That's what we're doing. It was so awesome. The funniest part was when we both were crawling on the floor. Both of us were crawling on the floor. Zombies were biting on us like, dude, I put my controller down because I thought we're done. Then suddenly my character decides to stand up. Was it my character that decided to stand up? I think it was mine. Oh my goodness, come on. My character decides to stand up, and me standing up, I could actually lift you up again. That was so cool, man, and we did it. And then you had your shotgun and you blasted the rest of them. So cool, man. That was so much fun. Lag was very minimal, but again, we don't know what it's like with 4 players now, so we'll see. Lots of near-death experiences. Yes, there was lots of near-death experiences. Ah, well. Okay, this. No. Did I tell you about that one guy who did a speedrun? No damage, knife only? Oh my goodness. I don't know if I showed it to any of you, but that was amazing. Knife run, no damage. Unbelievable. We're talking about drop. Hey Koharu, welcome to the stream! We are playing some Resident Evil 2 and we're actually calculating how many times I'm gonna get damaged in this game. Hopefully, not much. Oh yes, I forgot, I can use the key here. Let us use the key. And let's change the outfit. I think there's only one outfit for Leon, yeah? No, there's two outfits if I'm not mistaken. Alright, which one should I go for? Left or right, left or right, left or right. Let's go with the jacket. What are you talking about? You didn't drop. I'm not sure what you mean. You didn't drop. You did fall on the floor. No. Look at Leon and he's got a pose now. Let's go. Let's go. You know what time I woke up today? You will not believe it. You know what time I woke up today? 6:30 in the evening. I kid you not. I woke up at 6:30 in the evening today. So stupid. Well, I mean, I didn't sleep all night. I went to bed at noon actually, so you know how it is. You see, Koharu says my accent is damn sexy. Or as I like to call it, sexy. Come on guys, here's a little trivia. Who does? Who says sexy? No, it wasn't all night partying, true. I work nights. That's what it is. That's what's up. That's what they say. I just need a good gun. Once I get a good gun, I'm not gonna get damaged that much. I think. I hope. Oh, and it's faster. The gun is faster. Now we're talking, buddy. Ah. There we go. Roll it sideways now. That's how we roll. Hang on. No, it's not the nerd from The Simpsons. Good guess, but no. Okay. You win, Jack. It's not a competition. It's not a competition, okay? It's not a competition. I don't want to read Chris's there. If I want to read a book, I'll be reading a book. Not streaming a game. Let's go. Now, there should be a shotgun here. Leon!
Leon!
It's good to see you're still among the living.
It's not the nerd from
Looks like
Simpsons,
we're
no, I'm
not
gonna tell you.
gonna
It's
fight
Sid.
over here after.
Sid from... what's his name? Sid from... Ice Age. Ice Age. Sid from Ice Age. Ice Age.
There's no reason for us to stay any longer than necessary. Let's split up, look for any survivors, and get out of here.
Right.
So here's what
One
I'm
last
planning.
thing.
Here's
a
what I'm
ring.
planning.
Take it.
I'm planning to
That
make
way we can keep in
a
touch
drinking
if
game
anything
out of
happens.
Resident Evil 2. I don't know if I told any of you guys. I don't know if you were here when I was making up the plan. So basically, I take a shot each time I get damaged. So I take a shot each time I get damaged, and I will do it with live cam, of course. You will see me. You will see me. True as a streamer. True as a boss streamer. Now come on, come on, come on. True as a boss streamer. Go check him out, guys. Go check him out. Go check him out. He's hilarious. He's hilarious. He does this thing where he shrinks on the stream and then he goes big again. It's so funny. Sometimes he goes very, very small, like microscopic, microscopic. True. Anyway, yeah. We're gonna stream together, True. I'm so hyped. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I'm so hyped. Yeah. So that's what it's gonna be. Yeah, the shot challenge thing. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. But that's why I'm doing this run. I want to see how many shots it's going to take. So far I would have taken 1 shot. I can handle 1 shot. I can handle 6. I can handle 8. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Now I think I'm going to get damaged again. I need to take out the slicker. Look, it's Rusty Bones! It's Rusty Bones goes up to True Nightfall. Well, I hate telling people what to do, actually, sorry. I hate telling people what to do. But True is funny. True is funny. He does streams and it's funny. He's cool. Usual suspects. Yes. Ooh! I don't count that as damage, by the way. You don't get damage from that, so I won't count that as a damage. Okay? I will count it as a waste of time, but it's not. Now, I think I'm gonna get damaged again here. We'll see. We'll see. Kaharu's new. Everybody welcome Kaharu. Let's see. Okay, liquor. No, I didn't get damaged. Wow, that's good. That's good. I pick up the herb. I was thinking of vodka Red Bull. How about that? How about that? I can't handle tequila. I mean, I can, but... No. No. No, I'm not keeping up with chat. Sorry. I'm sorry. There's Steffi here. I don't see Steffi. Oh, there's Steffi. Yes. Hi, Steffi. Hi, Steffi. Welcome. Welcome. Is there anything I need to put in the box? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Let's go. Nah, I wouldn't do Jaeger, to be honest with you, because Jaeger is for kids. Jaeger is booze for kids. I'm not gonna have booze for kids. Will you take the precinct key? Hey, so far so good. Only one hit. Why does Loggy turn into... Oh, you... Stop it. I'm getting embarrassed now. I'm getting embarrassed. Yeah, vodka Red Bull sounds okay. And I found this sugar-free Red Bull. I didn't know such thing existed. I thought the main ingredient of Red Bull was sugar, but apparently not. There's a sugar-free Red Bull, and it tastes just the same. Poisoning in 3. Come on, Varro. Come on, it's not that bad. Come on. Look, I've only been hit once. I already know where I'm gonna be hit the most, actually. I already know where I'm gonna be hit the most. William is gonna give me a few hits. That's where it's gonna get nasty. That's where it's gonna get nasty. With William. On the freaking train going down. That's what's gonna get me. Vodka Bull, Vloggy trying to be the most drunk. No, come on guys, I'm good at Resident Evil. I'm barely gonna have a shot, I think. So far I would have had 1 shot. Look, that's why I'm counting. I wanna see if I can do this. So far I would have only had 1 shot, and probably my system would have already filtered the alcohol. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And that's the thing, even there's big intervals between the shots, that's fantastic, you know? That would be great. Oh, sorry, Steffi. Sorry. The thing is, I'm sitting quite far away from the laptop, so I really have to squint and get closer to the screen. Sorry, I didn't mean that. Oh, come on, Steffi. Come on. Come on. It's a really hot evening tonight. I have no idea what the temperature is like, but it's very warm this evening. You can call him Nightfall, you can call him True, you can call him The. It's up to you, really. It's okay. Hello, zombies. Welcome. Let's see how many I can take with just 1 shot. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Can we do this? Can we do it? Can we do it? 1, 2. Boom! These 3. 1, 2. Come on, Mr. Zomb. Come on, Mr. Zomb. Hey, say cheese. Let's go. There's nothing there. Okay, I don't really get that. Take your time, but I have no idea what kokona is or bento is, so whatever is your whatever is it is that's ready. No problem, take your time. Thank you for stopping by. Watch out! Yeah, you can call yes. Yes, Steffi's right, you see, Kahari, you can call him anything you want. You can call him sexy. He likes it. Actually, he likes it. And I also need to have a pants off stream one of these days. Like, everybody has to have their pants off during the stream. All the viewers need to take their pants off. It will be a pants off stream. And everybody that comes in chat, the first thing they have to say is, pants off. There we go. 1 out of 4. I love this track so much. I love this music. I'll take this, thank you very much. And I will combine this. I need to get my hands on the magnum gun. What did I say? Magnum gun. It's Emily! Hey Emily! We're playing some Resident Evil. I couldn't get the proper read on the angles. I was scared for a minute. I thought I was gonna get bit. So here's what we're doing, Emily. I know I've repeated this many times, but I like to keep repeating. I like to repeat myself. I love repetition, like babies. What I'm doing is I'm actually calculating how many times I get hit in this game. How many times I get damaged. Yeah. I want to see how many times I get. So far I only got damaged once. I only got hit once. Now I need to get these out of the thing. Actually I can put this back in there. This in there. And this. Because I'm OCD, I have to put them this way. Sorry. Sorry! Healing items up there. Okay, let's go. No, true as a male. I saw him going into a urinal. Standing up, so... I didn't. I'm kidding. Let's go. Okay, crows can damage me. Crows can damage me. We need to be careful here. We need to be careful. How are you, Emily? I didn't ask you how are you. I didn't ask anyone how is everyone? How is everybody? Please, 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 please don't get damaged. No damage. No. No. Oh yeah. Oh. I thought I was gonna get hit. Okay, but we're good. Gonna take a sip. Let's go. You see, I can easily dodge certain zombies like these ones downstairs. But I don't want to risk it. Like, okay. What? Why risk it? Why risk it when I can kill them all like this? Okay, nope. Okay, I don't want to risk it. Dodging is you're risking. Hey, you're risking a bite. There we go. You're gonna start streaming, Steph. You are gonna start streaming, and when that happens, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be saying first. Did you just call subs cubs? I like that. I know it was a typo probably, but it's cool. That was cool. There's no point in going there. Let's go. Let us go. Even Emily needs to stream one day. You need to stream one day. Just like how we made through play Code Veronica. It was hilarious. It really was hilarious. Let's go. Watching through, getting stressed out. One goes here. One goes here. Come on. And there's something there. I can't wait for the remake of this game. I can't wait. You know what? I can't wait for a screenshot. I want to see a screenshot or some footage. And then I'll be happy. I'll be happy to wait another a year. Honestly. I just want to make sure they're doing it right. I just want to see a screenshot making sure that they're doing it right. If you plan on playing later through, I won't be able to watch you tonight. Well, tonight. Because I'm working in the morning now, so I have to take a nap. At Vloggy, missed question. Your speedrun... I know your speedrun. 4% overworld record. You know, I forgot that I'm speedrunning this. I'm actually rambling. I'm not playing sometimes. It's more about... Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm leaving spaces for them. It's more about not getting damaged. Trying to finish the game. Well, I mean, haha, you already got damaged once. Yes, it's about getting damaged least as possible. Okay, now where did I go next? Okay, I know where to go next. You see, I'm planning a drinking game out of this game. Each time I get damaged, I'll take a shot. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm just counting how many times I actually get damaged in the game to see if I can handle it. That's what it is. That's what it is. So far so good, the game's easy right now, but I think it's the bosses that's gonna damage me the most. Chat is funny right now. Let's go here. One, 2, 3. Say cheese. Farah wants to see boob streamers. That's what he wants to see. Okay, buddy. I know. I'm kidding, buddy. I'm kidding. It's time for Will Smith, a purple Will Smith. Oh no! I was looking at chat! No! No! I was looking at chat! I was looking at chat! Ah, I deserve that. You see, chat is gonna be distracting. Oh my goodness, I was looking at chat. I deserve that. That was funny. Wow, there you go. I learned the lesson now. When I'm doing this, I need to be careful. I was looking at chat. I could have easily avoided that, my goodness. I should be at 1. I should be at 1 right now. Hey, Malteser! What's up? Malteser's in the house! 1, 2, 3, say cheese. Let's go. Is Will Smith an outbreak? Yes, he is. True. And there's a story. You didn't know? There's a backstory to Will Smith, how he ended up in the police station, damaged, you know, damaged, like, injured by himself in the police station. You're gonna enjoy it so much. Not today, mister. Not today. Guys, can anybody tell me the password for this this lock? Because I forgot it. Can anybody help? Hmm? Please? Please? Hmm? Actually, I don't need this. What am I doing? I don't need this. I'm wasting time. I don't need to open this. Let's go. I'm thinking. Let's go here. Two damages, 2 shots. Well, no. For each time I get damaged, I take a shot. So for now, I have taken 2 shots. 2236. Steffi knows. But I didn't need to open that actually. Alright, here I need to be careful because... Oh yeah. Come get it. Come get it. He's gonna get... You want some more? You want some more? Oh, I'm scared. I'm gonna get damaged. Be careful, buddy. Oh, I'm scared now. I'm scared. I don't want to get damaged. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna run. I'm gonna make a run for it. No! 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 No, that's 3. That's 2 more. That's 4. Oops. That's 2 more. So that's a total of 4 shots. No! I could have easily avoided that too. I'm trying to be a bit cocky, to be honest with you. That's what it is. No worries. Now, she's gonna rumble for a bit. These are tough doggies. 3 shots around the shot. Yeah, they are. I could have easily avoided that. I was trying to show off, but that's what happens when you try to show off.
Sorry about that. When I saw the uniform, I thought you were another zombie.
How cool would that be if you could do that with me?
Who are you?
No, but the stream is gonna be me doing the shots. You're gonna see the shots. You're gonna get a camera. You're gonna see me taking down the shots, making the faces and all that.
What are you doing here?
Yeah.
I'm looking for some guy named Ben. He's one of those reporter types, always looking for a scoop. I heard he was locked up in the cell block, only there's a wrecked car barring the entrance.
There's a wrecked
I've been
car
trying to
barring
find
the
another
entrance.
way inside.
Come on, let's push it.
If we work together, we can move this thing. Give me a hand here, will you?
If I was careful, I could still be at one hit right now. If I was careful, but... because those dogs, I could have easily... oh well, oh well. And that Will Smith guy, oh my goodness. Let's go. $808. There we go.
808!
I don't drink either. What? Hang on, hang on. You must be Ben, right? There's a long cutscene here. Now's the right time for me to make myself a drink.
Let me guess. You must be Ben,
I don't know.
right? Get up, now!
Steffi.
What do you want? I'm trying to sleep here.
Is this the guy?
Is this the guy?
I know the dialogue of this
Ben,
game by heart. I could
You
I
told
could
the
recite the
city
whole thing
officials
if I
that you
wanted, but
knew
I don't want to sound
something
too nerdy.
about what's been going on, didn't you? What did you tell them?
And who the heck are you?
I'm trying to find my boyfriend. His name's John. He was working for a branch office of Umbrella, based in Chicago, but he suddenly disappeared 6 months ago. I heard a rumor that he's here in the city.
I don't know anything. And even if I did, why would I want to
I
tell
also plan
you?
on doing another stream where I race other YouTube
Okay,
gamers.
I say we leave
You
him
know,
in there.
I have in
Does
mind
anyone
Matt,
know where they put
Albert
the key to
Wesker,
this cell?
and Protosam. We can start
I
the
have
game
it
together.
Right here, officer.
You know, 3, 2, 1,
But I'm not
go.
about to leave this
We
cell.
start the scenario, all of us, and we see who finishes
Those
first.
zombies aren't the
And I was
only
thinking
things
maybe
crawling around
in
out
my
there.
stream I could actually have their screens as well. On my stream I'll have their
was that?
streams on the side as well, so like people actually see what where they're
I
at as
said,
well. You know,
I'm
I don't
not
know.
leaving this
I
cell.
don't know. I was thinking, I don't know. Would be
Get
cool
out of here
to
before
have
you
a
lead
race.
it right to me.
Hey, I'm not going anywhere. I'm the only cop left alive in this building.
What?
Look, if you want to live, then you're gonna have to leave with me.
But do you even know how to get out of the city? There's a kennel in the back of the building. Inside the kennel is a manhole. Go through and it'll lead you to the sewer entrance, but it won't be easy.
All right, I'm going.
Let's go. Picking this up. I'm all talk when it comes to Resident Evil and racing and stuff like that, but to be honest with you, I don't think I'll get first. I don't know. I'm good at the game, but not as good as I think I am. We go this way. So yeah, as I was saying, there's a backstory to Will Smith, an outbreak. It's a very, very, very interesting story actually. There are areas in the Raccoon Police. There are areas in the Raccoon Police Department that you can't visit in Resident Evil 2, but you can actually visit an outbreak, and you get a story. You get to see how. No! Don't you dare! Well, you'd think I should be good with infinite bullets, but I'm only doing it with infinite bullets because I'm only doing it with infinite bullets because of the run, trying to finish it in the shortest amount of time. But I don't need this for now, do I? No. But I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna take these, and I'll put one of these here as well. Let's go. This monster here is gonna deal some damage to me, I think. I keep thinking that. I don't know. We'll see. Because he spits out those little minions. It's true, I should have done that step. I should have done that, yeah. This is my favorite part.
Ada.
When he's being polite, he introduces himself,
I don't think I've introduced
and she
myself
shrugs.
yet.
She
My
shrugs.
name's Leon.
Look at this.
I'm with the RPD.
I love that. I love that. I want to do that someday. Somebody introduces themselves to me and I shrug like,
It's a dead end.
You think we can get upstairs through this shaft? Give me a boost. I'll go and check.
I'm wondering if I'll be out of the police station in 15 minutes. Interesting. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. No! No, that's another one for me! That's another one, I know, guys. I know, that's another one. Okay, they're gone. No, they're not gone. No! No, 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 that's two more! You died. I thought he was dead! Alright, that's two more. That's two more for Bloggy. Did I say call myself Bloggy? I meant Vloggy. Oh my goodness. Why did I come down here? Oh my goodness. Why did I come down here? No! Because I panicked, you see? I panicked. That's 6. That's a total of 6. You know how many my goodness, I'm rambling. You know how many shot glasses I have at home? I have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 13 shot glasses. I hope I don't have to use all of them. I hope not. Because if it's more than 13, I would have to stop the stream and pour some more. This is gonna have to be a Saturday, by the way, huh? This is gonna have to be a Saturday night. A Saturday night stream. Well, not this Saturday coming for sure, because I have a wedding. So, I'll be doing shots, but not on stream. Yeah, I cannot even take a speedrun seriously, because I get distracted with chat and I have another goal right now, not to get hit and all that stuff. Steffi. Yeah, I know. Still, like I said, it's still nice to be polite. Just because civilization went down the drain doesn't mean manners have to go down the drain. Steffi, okay?
Leon, can you hear me?
You see, that's Jack's way of
Ada,
telling us that if there's a
did you
zombie
find
apocalypse
anything?
or something like that, he's gonna be like Bill, The Last of Us. That
Right
means he doesn't
here.
want to hang out with any of us. He just wants to isolate himself and not even get anywhere near his territory, you know? We're not invited. That's what Jack is saying.
I can't reach the ventilation hole. I'm going to have to find another way around. I'll catch up with you later.
What?
Ada, wait!
Ada, wait!
We got ourselves another key. Now, I know where I need to go, and I hope I don't get damaged. We'll see. No, 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 no! 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 That's two more! Have you noticed that pattern? I get hit two and two and two in increments of twos. I don't know why. Dang it. I want to hear myself. Wow, did you see that? Wow. So that's 8. I can handle 8, I think. But at this point, I'll start saying funny stuff. I'll start being funny. I'll start. And that's the thing. The more I get damaged, that's the fun part. The more I get damaged, the more shots I'm gonna have. You're missing the major point, Vloggy. Mining the hole. Yeah, well, come on. Oh my goodness, Liquor's here. Liquor's here. I'm gonna get hit 2 more times. I'm sure of it. There's Liquor's here. You know what? I don't need. No! Okay, I'm back. I'm back. What happened? I don't know what happened. You see, my other computer that I monitor the stream with went on screensaver. I was like, never mind. And the stream got interrupted. Okay, yes, it's paused. Yes, it's paused. I don't know why it does that, stupid OBS. Why did the stream get interrupted? Sorry about that. We're good now, yeah? You can hear me and stuff. Why is it still paused, though? Hang on. We're good, yeah? I think so. Okay, now, I don't need the cord. I just need this. No damage, no damage for Vloggy. Come on, we can do this. No damage for Vloggy. I don't care. Okay, that's good. Oh my goodness, I don't know why it happened. Always does it. Always does it. I mean, always. No, it doesn't do it that often, but still, I hate it. You shouldn't do that to me. Your OBS. That's good. Each time I get damaged, you're gonna get to see me take the shot and make a face and all that, you know. I do make a face each time I drink, whether it's wine or whiskey or vodka. I make the face. That's how it is. Yeah, it's weird. It's very, very weird. The thing is this. Let me tell you how that happened. That Leon carries a lighter and he doesn't smoke. Let me tell you how that happened. It originally started with Chris. Oh, come on! Chris Redfield in the Japanese version. He smoked. Even in the cutscene, you see him lighting up a cigarette. But the Americans thought that it was too offensive. How weird. They thought it was too offensive. So they cut off that scene where he lights a cigarette. But in the game, he still carries a lighter around. Now what do? I need the thing. So in the game he carries the lighter. That's why he still carries the lighter, but he doesn't smoke, because they cut away that scene. And the lighter happened to be a good part of the puzzle, and it was also a good part of the puzzle in the second game. So that's why Leon also carries the lighter, because it had to be a part of the puzzle. Consistency. I used to carry around the Zippo as well, like because I thought it was cool, because they smelled lovely and it was cool to own a Zippo. I used to do that all the time, but then I thought it was lame and I stopped doing that. That's it. I thought it was lame. In the back. Okay, I said I was gonna be out of the police station in 15 minutes, and I almost did it. Max Rock, welcome to the stream, buddy. Welcome, welcome. I feel like a glass of wine. I really feel like a glass of wine. You see, Max Rock, that number up there? It means I got damaged 9 times. Ah, oh, dang it, come on. Steffi. Ah, you funny lady. Yeah, I'm pretty much out of the police station, and I said I was gonna be out in 15 minutes, and I did it. If it wasn't for some setbacks that I had with the stream and stuff, putting the controller down and stuff. But yeah, I'm very satisfied. I'm pretty much out of the police station in 1 hour. That's good. That's very good. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go, 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 go. I always found it funny that Claire doesn't think it's a dust chute. You know, Claire doesn't think of jumping through here, but Leon does. I don't know. I think this is gonna cause me 2 more damages. 2 more damages. Yeah, I think it's gonna damage me 2 more times. That's what I mean.
No!
Yeah, so get ready for the number to go up.
Get away!
At least my number 2. Ah, sorry about that. Are we back? I think we're back. OBS is acting up. I'm sorry.
Ben! Can you still
I
hear me?
like 2 or 3
Come on,
times in my
answer.
life.
Damn! I don't believe this.
It's good. It's not
I
healthy to eat
almost
a lot
got
of it,
the
huh?
story.
Because it's very concentrated.
Man.
It's very dark, and it's not good for the blood pressure. I'm just saying.
Bitter irony. The chief of police, a co-conspirator.
Get that scum. Make him pay.
Scum. Make him pay.
Hang in there, Ben. Oh! My chest! It's burning! What's wrong?
Good God, what was that?
Where are you
To
going?
the chemical
Ada?
plant.
To the chemical plant. I have a feeling that's where I'll find John.
Ada, wait! Hey!
Do you read me, Claire? It's about time you told her that they now have
We now
access to
have
the back of the
access to
parking
the back
lot.
of the parking
About
lot.
time you're telling her that when you're leaving.
I'm getting out of here and heading to the sewer. Can you meet me there?
I'm on my way.
Let's go. Let's go. Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. I know I'm still carrying that key. Let's go. gonna get damaged here. I know I am. And I should have gotten rid of those spooders, like Steffi said, but Vloggy is hard-headed, my goodness. Alright, you die now. Where's the other one? Where's the other one? There you go. Here we go. Let's go. I'm worried, huh? I'm really worried right now. Okay, guys, I'm gonna count how many times I get bit now, get hit or whatever. Those little minions are worrying me. Okay, let's see. Come on, I need to spam shoot. 'Cause even if I do kill him, the little minion things are gonna keep. We'll see. Yes, that magnet. That's gonna be my weapon. Come on. He's already spitting them out. He's not even giving me a chance. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That doesn't count as damage. We're not getting damage right now. That's a damage. He's dead, he's dead, he's dead. He's dead, right? Out! That's one damage. That's one. I count that as one, yeah? That's one. That's one. So, that's 10. That's 10. I thought I was gonna get hit by 2, but I don't know if this works, but I left the room and coming back. Hopefully they disappear. I don't know if it works. Let's see. Yes, they disappeared. Okay, we're good. We're good, we're good, we're good. Shot number 10. Yeah, but at least it wasn't another 2 or 3. Just one. One is fine. One is fine. I can handle another one. And I'm already sobering up from the previous 9. My goodness, that's a lot. That's already a lot. That's gonna be hilarious for you guys to watch. Now it's gonna be a while before I take another shot. It's gonna be a while.
Ada! What was that all about? Running off like that was reckless and stupid. Those zombies are everywhere. Not to mention that thing that got bent.
I was there, Leon. I know.
Look, Ada.
Look, Ada. As an officer, it's my job to look out for you. But we're not going to get through this alive if we don't work together. Okay?
All right. We'll do this your way for now.
Let's go. It's gonna be a while before I get hit again now. So I'll sober up from these 10 shots. No need. So this goes in there, this goes in there, and I need the valve handle. It's down here. Either way, challenge. No, that's only like 3-4 times. No, that's not good enough. Maybe each time he says Ada. Maybe each time he says Ada.
Heads up!
Leon, that woman was... I have to talk to her.
You see, you think it's easy with unlimited ammo, but you still get damaged, huh? Probably. Run, buddy, run, 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 run. This is not easy. This, you can die here. These can actually kill you. Get stun locked and you die. Now guys, should I leave this cutscene on or not? Should I leave this cutscene or should I just skip it?
Don't move. You're the one who's with that cop, if I'm not mistaken. Identify yourself. Ada Wong. Ada Wong. I've heard that name before. Now I remember. One of the men from Chicago who came to assist the T-virus research used his girlfriend's name as his password. Ada and John, I believe. How did you know? Who are you? Annette Birkin. My husband is the man responsible for the creation of the T-virus. William Birkin. What? John's dead. He became one of those zombies. My condolences. And although I regret this, you will be joining him shortly. I won't let anyone take the G-virus away from me.
No, those don't count, true.
G-virus? It's capable of creating the ultimate bioweapon. Its potential is even greater than that of the T-virus. Then that must mean the creature in the police department is... Precisely. My husband, William.
10 is a lot,
And
huh,
it's
when you think
all
about it.
Umbrella's fault.
10 is a lot.
None of this would have happened if they hadn't tried to steal his research away from him.
I skipped the cutscene.
So those rats were the carriers of the virus. As a result of his virus-induced transmutation, William should have lost any prior memories he had as a human by now. Even worse, every
Liam gets shot,
virus
I get a
bioweapon,
shot.
including William, has the ability to implant embryos into other creatures. And create offspring. No.
Come on!
Too bad.
It's gonna be a while before I get more damage now. Now the next time I think I'll get damaged is William. But if I'm careful, if I plan it out, if I'm careful, I think I may avoid getting damaged. We'll see. We'll see. Ada?
Ada?
No! Run, Forrest, run! I'll take these just in case. Come on, I should be at the Umbrella Labs in 15 minutes. Yeah, Steph, I'm gonna play Resident Evil 4, but as soon as it comes out on the PS5, I'm gonna play it. I haven't played it since the PS2 days, and I never finished it. But I will be playing it, yeah, when it comes out August 30th. I'm getting a cough. Release the Kraken! I mean, release the lock. Leon's box. Now, since he's wearing a different costume, outfit,
Leon.
whatever, she's not gonna do the bandages thing. She's gonna say she's gonna patch him up, but he's not gonna be patched up.
Quiet, Leon. I'll patch you up.
But yeah, I'll be playing Resident Evil 4 for sure.
That's 2 I owe you.
Don't mention it.
Honestly, I hate it too, Jack, huh? I hate Resident Evil 4
John's
because
dead.
Resident Evil 4 was the start of the downfall,
Never
personally, of
mind.
Resident Evil.
Let's
personally.
just get out of here. The sooner
It stopped
the
being
better.
survival horror. It became action. Let's go. No! Hey, Sean Slaughter! Welcome to the stream! You may be wondering why I'm monitoring my damage in this game. It's all part of a big plan, my friend. All part of a big plan. That means I've been hit 10 times so far in the game. If I was careful, I would have easily decreased that counter by another 2. I could easily be at 8. But one time I was looking at chat. I was careless. And the dogs, I could have easily avoided those dogs. So I could easily be at 7. I don't know. Am I making up excuses? Am I justifying myself? I don't know. Maybe. Now if I'm careful, I may actually not get any damage when it comes to William if I'm very careful. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I can't wait for Resident Evil 7. Come on, come on. Oh, Steffi. You're gonna make true work harder now at the gym. Alright, let's do this. What? What? Streamer, show your boobs. Hey, Matt. Hey, Matt. I will if you will. How are you, buddy? Well, we never know what's gonna happen when I, after having 10 shots, if I'll show my bobs on stream. I'll take this, actually. No bobs, not today, not today. Oh, there should be a shotgun. Should I pick up the shotgun? Oh, whatever. I don't think it's any stronger. There's nobody here, let's go. I don't think the shotgun is stronger than the Magnum, I don't know. Now, Albert, would you show your bobs if it got you more views and subs and if it got you donations and stuff? Would you? Would you, buddy? I don't think I would. Let's just say, would you stream shirtless if you knew that it would increase your views and you know, everything? If it would increase your views, your donations, and your subs, would you stream shirtless? I think we're good. Let's go. Actually, I take this. I'll take this. Four bobs. What about you, True? Would you stream shirtless if it knew get you the views and the subs and everything? Show my bobs for 3 subs. You know what? I would show my bobs on a stream. I'll just wait for the view counter to go just 1. People watching 1, and then I'll show my bobs real quick. I'll lift my shirt up like, Bobby Stan! I think it was hang on, activate. I think there was an issue on Twitch actually. In fact, they have to make it a rule on the terms that male streamers, well, not everybody really, has to be wearing a shirt, because apparently there was a lot of male streamers streaming shirtless. We're not saying if you were a chick streamer, you're a male streamer.
Ada,
Would you stream
Ada,
shirtless for the views
hear me?
and for the subs
Come on,
and for the
snap out of
donations?
it.
Would you? Would you? Alright, this is, guys, this is where I'm gonna get hit another 3 times, I think. It's true, Matt. It's so true. Okay, here we go, here we go. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I don't know if I'm gonna do this. Come on, you can do this. Let's see how many times I'm gonna get hit. I'm hoping for a 0. I can do this. I love this song so much. No! No! That's how it's done, my friend. No, I can't see it from here. Stupid camera angle. I did it! Not even once! Not even once! Well, of course, right now I'm very sober, so... Again, imagine doing this with 10 shots in your head. So... Okay, we're good. Whew. Whew. I was really worried about this boss. But we're good.
Don't die on me, Ada. Come on. Wake up.
Nah, I wouldn't be the reputation.
Come on.
It would give me... Hang on, I wouldn't. The reputation it would give me would be terrible, but I wouldn't want to be known as the Resident Evil streamer who flexes his specs every time he gets a kill. Do you do that? Oh my goodness. I flex my sphincter every time I die. I still have 10 shots, yes, but by now I would have sobered up again. Probably. This is gonna be interesting, you know? This is gonna be interesting.
Welcome back.
No, you're not allowed to.
Hey, take it easy. We're inside Umbrella's secret lab. I'll go find
Ooh, I said I
something
was
to
gonna
treat
be in the
that
Umbrella
wound,
Labs in
so
15
just
minutes.
rest here in the meantime.
We did it in 13 minutes, which is good.
I'll only slow you down with these injuries. Go. Save yourself.
I told
It's
you,
my job
it's
to
my
look
job
out for
to
you.
look after you.
But you'll be in danger if you stay with me. I know I've only known you for a short period of time, but I really enjoy being with you. I know I'm not capable of caring about anyone, but I don't want to lose you.
We're leaving this place together. Wait here for me. I'll be right back.
Wait here. I'll be right back. Let us go. I don't need to put anything in there yet. No, let's go. Okay, hang on. I need to be careful of the plants. The plants can actually deal some damage if I'm not careful. So, yeah. We'll see. We start from here. Did you? Did you? Oh my goodness, you got your capture card. Are you gonna stream? I wanna see, I wanna see, I wanna see. Come on, dude. What? No way. What the what? No. What did they send in? She was here, Emily. Emily. She was here like, I don't know, an hour ago. What did they send? A pizza? Can you imagine? But yeah, these things from China, my goodness. I ordered the drone, quite a cheap drone, because I want to learn how to fly one before I actually commit to buy a good one. I bought a drone, they sent me the drone, and it's awesome. But there's no camera. What? The camera's missing. Well, you just complain, tell them it's not what you thought it was, and they'll send you another one. I need to be careful here. I need to be careful here because these stupid... Oh my goodness! I made a boo-boo. I made a boo-boo. Alright, I need to be careful here. I need to be careful. No. Do I count that as a hit? I can't count that as a hit. Come on, I can't. Guys, what do you guys think? Do I count that as a hit? There's really no way to avoid that whip though, after you kill him, so... Come get it! Come on, come on! Come on! Come on! There you go. No! There you go! That's a hit. So that's 11 shots for Buddy. No! Again! No! Again! No! That's two more, my goodness. It's two more. Ah! No! Not you! No! No! Go away. Go away. 13 actually, Steph. 13. No, 13. Wait, how many times did it hit me? Is it 13 or 14, Steph? Please, 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 it's 13. I'll take your word for it. If you say it's 14, look, as far as I know, he hit me twice. I was on 11, and I got hit twice. Wait a minute, yeah. No, wait, was I on 10 or... Oh my goodness, I have to rewatch the stream now. I'm confused. Am I on 14 or 13? I'm stupid. But you can't count that, no. Can you count the plant? There's no way to avoid that. She's lying on the floor, and I have to... Do I count the plant? Alright, I'll count the plant. Fair enough. I'll just leave the room and come back next time. Okay, 14 it is. Fair enough. You have to head up for a bit. No problem. Thank you so much for hanging out through. Take care, buddy. You do what you gotta do. Yes. I won't be having another test run, by the way. This is the one and only. This is the one and only test run. So 14 means that if I had to do it right... If I had to do that... If I had to do it today, right away, my shot glasses wouldn't be enough because I only had 13 shot glasses. So I would have had to pour more. I hate the recoil of this gun. It's a good gun, but I hate the recoil. Yeah, I think the ending is gonna be... I'm gonna get hit a couple of times by the boss. And you know what? I should pause it. Each time I get damaged, I pause it, take my shot, and then continue. Hey Sam! How are you, buddy? I'm doing as I told you, I'm monitoring how many times I get damaged. There would have been 14 shots by now. Hey, well done. Well done on your personal best, buddy. I need to be careful now. There's the liquor here again. It's gonna cost me another shot, probably. Or should I just... No, I'm just gonna keep running. Run, buddy, run. No! Ooh, ooh, no, no, no! That's 3. That's 3. That's 3. 14, 15, 16, 17. My goodness. My goodness. That's bad. That's probably gonna be more. Run, buddy, run. No. Ah. 17. 17. No, I can do better than that, huh? I need to be careful. I can do better than this. Stop making fun of me, Jack! Oh my goodness, that's not good. That is really not good. No, I need to be careful, huh? 17 is not a joke. No. You'd think it's gonna be easier with unlimited ammo, but nope. Nope, nope, nope. No, 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 no! Come on! Come on! Am I damaged? No, no. But still counts. It still counts as a damage. It still counts. It still counts. Oh my goodness. Well, count that one too now. Man. He gave me a hug. 18. My goodness. I did upgrade the Magnum, but still. Are there any more out here? No, they're all gone. Take this. I can't carry any more items. I just realized I have to go back there, next to the plants. Ah, well. On my screen, your Magnum is weak. What do you mean?
You!
What you talking about, Willis?
You murdered my husband. I know what you're looking for. You came for the G-virus, didn't you? But you'll never take it from me. This is my husband's legacy. Now, where's that spy you were working with earlier? You know who I'm talking about.
What?
You really don't know anything, do you? You're so gullible. She's one of the operatives sent here by the agency. The only reason why she came here is to obtain the G-virus.
That's a lie.
No, it's the truth. I discovered this when I did a background check on
No,
her.
I didn't need the first aid kit.
Specifically got
No,
close to John
it's
and
alright,
became
I'm
his
good.
girlfriend
I'm
to get
good.
information about Umbrella.
I just realized Sniper Cat 6 is streaming.
That can't be.
I'll end this and I'll check her out.
know her.
Check her out? Is that the
Ada
word?
wouldn't do
Check her
something
out?
like
Check
that.
out her stream, not her.
If you don't want to believe it, I don't really care. You're about to die anyway. What happened?
The self-destruct sequence has been
The agency.
activated. Repeat, the self-destruct sequence has been
This sequence may
activated.
not be
This
aborted.
sequence may not be aborted. All
Come on.
employees proceed to the emergency car at the bottom platform.
18. I have no idea how many times I'm gonna get hit by William now. That's what scares me, William. I'm scared of William.
Leon. I've been
18, my
waiting
goodness,
for you,
18.
Leon.
That's a lot.
What are you doing?
You know what this is about, so just hand over the G virus.
I don't believe this. Annette was right. About everything.
That's why I told you to leave without me, but you wouldn't listen. Now hand it over. Don't make me shoot you.
I think I have a spray on me as well, no?
You can't do that.
Don't I? Don't I have a spray on me? But I have a chest full of healing items, so that's fine. That is fine.
Ada! Ada! I've got you. Don't give up.
G virus. Leon, it's over.
Oh Matt, I really wanna play that
Shut
game, but
up.
it's not working on
Gotta
my
make
phone.
it.
I would have done it. I would be one of those kids running around.
Too late.
I wanna do it. But it doesn't work on my phone. I don't know why. It says servers are busy,
No.
and they've been busy since
I promised
Friday.
you that we would escape. You just have to help me out here.
I really wanted to escape with me, Leon. Escape from everything.
I don't really care about that Pokemon game though, however. I only care about the one coming out in November. That's what I'll be streaming. Ada! I wanna play Pokemon Go, but it's not working on my phone. Dang it. Seems like it's working for everyone but me. All my friends are playing it. Ah well.
So, this.
I always thought that when he threw the G virus, okay, he threw it, and it went on Ada's dead body, because I assumed she died, you know? So it went on Ada's dead body and it mutated her and she turned into something. I always thought that would happen. Okay, take that for the hug. For the hug you gave me earlier. Hey, Emily! What do you mean, what happened? Like the damage counter, how it went up to 18? Yeah, that's a thing now. Okay, cheese! The recoil, I hate the recoil so much. See, you almost got a taste of the Leon. I wanted to check my inventory. Did I have... Yeah, I do have a first aid spray and a mixed tab as well. Using VMO disc. We're out of here. Let's see how many times I'm gonna get in here now. This is scary. Yeah, you're gonna see the counter go up by another 5, I think. It's worrying me, to be honest with you. This is where I don't know how to... Because he jumps around from one place to another, dang it. I don't think I'm gonna handle this. I might get damaged another 5 times. You see, I should save my shots for these. I would have drunk 18 shots by now. My goodness.
5 minutes until detonation.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm scared now. One. That's one already. I got him. Okay. Show yourself. Where is he? Where is he? He's coming. Where is he? No, you're not gonna get me. You're not gonna get me. No! Real time. Updating it in real time. Good! No! This is not good. Get up there, get up there. Oops, 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 oops. Okay, that's it, 21. That's 21. It looked like 2 hits. You think that's 2 hits? Okay, okay, fair enough. I tried to cheat. Okay, okay. Because I thought it was like a 2 combo attack. Like, you know, there's no way you can avoid those, like, get hit by one of them and avoid the other. I thought of it as a 1 hit, but I don't know. Alright, let's... Well, the popular verdict is that it counts as 2, so... No, not tonight. It's not tonight. No, it's not tonight. This is just practice. This is just... We're just evaluating here. Just trying to see... Oh my goodness! I'm just talking, my goodness. Just... Anyway. 22. You know, it feels like a GG. It doesn't feel like a GG, to be honest with you. 22 shots. Doesn't sound like it's an accomplishment. I wonder if I got a new PB. I don't think I did because I was wasting a long time.
Hurry up! Leon!
22, my goodness. 22. Double doses. Oh, it's gonna be funny. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be with the face cam and everything. It's gonna be funny. I still don't think that it should count as 2 hits, that one, huh? Because that's a double attack, like a double combo. There's no way you can get hit by one and avoid the other, you know? But hey, we'll count it as 2. That's fine.
Yes,
My goodness,
I'm fine.
22 hits.
It's over.
Skip this cutscene.
No.
Come on. I can't.
I have to
Let's
find
get
my
the cutscene.
brother.
You're right. This is just the beginning.
This is gonna be funny when this happens. As I was saying earlier, it's gonna have to be a Saturday when I'm not working the following day.
Goodbye.
The Saturday coming for sure, because Saturday coming I have a wedding. The following Saturday, we'll see. Maybe we can do it on a weekday. Who knows? Maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm off in the evening. We'll see. Obviously, I'll advertise it. I'll advertise it on my socials. It's gonna be funny. I got everything ready, you know. I've got everything. I got the vodka and I've got the Red Bulls. They're all there in the cupboard, you know. I already bought the stuff, and I have the shot glasses and everything. I'm good to go. I just need to find a good day to do this. And I took the opportunity today to actually give this a test run. Well, I'll have the 22 shots. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Rusty. Thank you, Steffi. Thank you, Matt. It's true, Matt. It's true. And I was thinking the same thing about the person the best. I was thinking the same thing. How can you manage focusing on a person the best when you've got a chat distracting you? Especially you. I mean, even me. Both of us pay a lot of attention to the chat. Oh, Steffi, stop saying that my face would be redder than Claire's shorts. This is gonna be fun. It will be fun. Saturday, 20 shows made Vloggy's face look more red than Claire's shorts. You don't want to miss it. Yeah, I don't think people would want to miss this. This is gonna be funny. To be honest with you, I would not do it if I think it would get me drunk. I don't think it's gonna get me drunk. You know, I'm not gonna do that. But it will be funny. It will be entertaining. And after 22 shots, I will be very funny. I will ramble a lot. I will say stupid stuff. But I need to improve this. Huh? I can't have. I mean, the thing is, the more you drink, the more shots you have, the sloppier you're gonna get in the game. Might as well just die and call it quits. Did it say special thanks to Microsoft? Did it? My goodness, did it say special thanks to Microsoft? I've been playing this game for what? Since '98. I never noticed it said special thanks to Microsoft, honestly. Did it? President Evil. I honestly think I did get a personal best, to be honest with you. Let's see.